Here's a 2015 Lexus GS 350. With an aggressive attitude on performance, luxury, and safety, this GS 350 is the perfect fit for your full-throttle life. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather sport seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic with driver control suspension management, and V6 engine. Automobile raves. Step into the GS 350 and every surface you lay your hand on is made of a high quality or soft touch material. Inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. That is the DNA of a Lexus. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.